Hey guys, it's Mel here. Thanks for checking in. In today's video, I'm going to do the super affordable all drugstore makeup for a fall look. So warm tones, all matte eye. Let's get into it. First, coffee. This was super early in the morning. So first for primer, I'm going to take the E.L.F. Mattifying Balm to fill in my pores. This keeps my T-zone oil free and pretty matte. For foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation. This is in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use the E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is super full coverage and long wearing. This is one of the best concealers I've ever used. It's pretty comparable to Tarte Shape Tape. I actually prefer it over Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to cream contour with this Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline FitMe Loose Setting Powder in the shade Fair Light. Now I'm going to bronze with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in the medium shade. And I'm just going to wipe away the rest of that setting powder. I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Contour Palette and take this contour shade to deepen my contour just a little bit more. These palettes are really great because you get a contour shade, you get a blush, and a highlight all in one little nice palette. Great for traveling, super affordable. It's great. I believe this is the medium shade. I know they have a lighter one. and a deeper one. And I'm going to take that blush in here for my blush. And then I'm also going to use that highlight shade in that palette. Now this is a very pretty highlight. It's just very subtle, so it's more of a natural looking highlight. It isn't like beaming in your face. It's really pretty and soft. Great for every day. But I wanted a little more highlight for the day, so I am gonna go in with the Wet n Wild loose highlighter in Hustle and Glow. This is the gold shade loose setting highlighter. I also love I'm So Lit in this collection. They're both so beautiful and beaming, which I like for a highlight. Now I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. And we're going to move on. For our eyes today, I'm going to use this ProFusion Infatuation 21 shade eyeshadow palette. ProFusion is very affordable. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Personal. This light orange shade for the crease and all over the lid. So we're going to do it all matte eye today. It's really simple to do, really easy on the go. I'm also going to buff this under the lower lash line and connect it. The next shade I'm going to go in with is called Daring. It's a little deeper orange, and I'm going to do the same thing, just a little lower, but again on the lid as well, and buff it into the lower lash line and connect it just like the first shade. The next shade I'm going to go in with is called Tease. It's this dark brown black shade, and I'm going to go pretty much right along the lower lash line and just on the lid. And then I'm going to lightly blend that up into the other shades. So this kind of gives that ombre effect going from dark to light. Super easy to do. You just keep blending so it looks seamless, and that you can kind of see all three shades just fade right into one another. Now I'm going to take this cream shade called Polite, and this is going to be our brow bone color. And then I'm gonna take the shimmer shade right next to it called Halo. And this is gonna be our inner corner highlight. This shade is so beautiful. It's sparkly and it gives that perfect pop to the matte eye. Now I am going to set my face with the E.L.F. Matte Magic Setting Mist. This will help keep makeup stay in place all day. And now I am just fanning myself, helping it really set the makeup. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. This mascara is awesome. Gives you full lash effect, dark lashes separated. It's awesome. And I'm gonna take this Maybelline cream shade gel eyeliner and just put this in my waterline to make my eyes look a lot more open and big. And this shade isn't as harsh as a bright white eyeliner. Now for lips. I'm gonna go in with these liquid Catsuit liquid lipsticks by Wet n Wild. These are awesome. The first shade I'm going in with is Cedar Later. And then the middle shade I'm gonna go in with is Nudes, just to kind of make it an ombre. These are awesome. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's a little more glossy. It's kind of in between a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss. So here's the completed look, guys. Super easy to do. Warm shades for the fall, kind of a smoky warm eye, a deeper lip, and super affordable products. I love all these products. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye.